Welcome to Smilefy, your path to a perfect restorative treatment outcome with digital dentistry. With Smilefy, you will be able to propose your treatments to your patients like never before. You will be capable of creating before and after pictures, AI-generated videos, and much more with only a few clicks. Get incredible results in only a few seconds. In our latest update, we included the AI Smile design, a very easy way to create realistic-looking before and after pictures. And with Smilefy Ava, the AI can generate a quick video to show it to your patient. Smilefy goes beyond realistic-looking simulations, is also capable of creating 3D models for mock-ups, crowns, printed veneers, full arch bridges, and more. Presentations like these can radically increase patients' confidence. And being able to adjust to their preferences, you end up with a happier patient. With AI Smile Design, in only a few clicks we can achieve an incredible result. Simply select one of the choices, click on AI Smile Design and wait a few seconds. Absolutely amazing! With only these few clicks, you now have a more confident patient. Smilefy is capable of bringing the AI design over to a real 3D design very easily, resulting in predictability throughout the entire process. Using AI tools like the heat map, you can check your design thickness quite easily. Smilefy makes 3D designs with the help of AI. For example, Liquify can check interproximal spaces for overlapping and make the corrections on its own. If you are in a rush, simplified mock-up is your answer. Create a 3D design for a wax-up in a few minutes following 6 easy steps. With many tools at your disposal, Smilefy will speed up treatment times, save on lab costs, and impress your patient like never before. Smilefy, your path to a perfect restorative treatment outcome with digital dentistry.